Welcome aboard. Let's begin with the dashboard. Every project's pulse, versions tracked, pending revision approvals, and upcoming deadlines in a glance. Now let's navigate the project library and open Greenfield Residences. Inside a project, every document lives in one place, regardless of where it came from. Here, every file gets a visual version timeline. You can see who changed what, when, and why, regardless of any file type. Two versions, one click, and compare. The changes are already circled. You just decide what matters. Changes are now color-coded, no more squinting at two printouts side by side. Every change gets a revision ID automatically. No manual numbering, no duplicate tags, no more spreadsheets on the side. Tie every comment to the exact change it's about. 6 weeks from now, nobody's asking, wait, what was this note referring to? Every revision, every status in a single list. And that's just the manual half. The automated half is where it gets interesting. Meet AI Studio, AI agents that watch your projects, catch regulation changes, and turn client meetings into action items automatically. And Assets, an AI-powered search across everything your firm has ever drawn. No more opening files just to check what's inside. No more relying on file names to find the right detail. And this is HyperArch, an operating system to automate file version control and management. Visit our site for more at hyperarch.co.